Hey everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Damien and today, I want to talk about an awesome deal available right now, for Hostgator, which is one of the best web hosting platforms out there. Okay, so I'll place the link to that coupon code down in the description if you want to check it out. But in today's video, I'll go through the deal and talk about Hostgator for those who want to learn more about the features, so feel free to use the timestamps to get straight to the info that you need within this video. And I'll also link to an in-depth review of Hostgator in the description for you. If you want to learn more of the nitty-gritty details, so talking about the plans, normally, the base rate for Hostgator yearly plans are $8.95 for the hatchling plan per month, $11.95 a month for the baby plan, and $16.95 per month for the business plan. But if you go through that link down in the description, then you'll be able to claim these plans at a huge discount. So that works out to be the hatchling plan for $2.75 a month, the baby plan for $3.50 a month, and the business plan for $5.25 per month. Plus, on top of that, all of those Hostgator packages come with free SSL, which is important security layer to protect both your site and your site's visitors. And so with that in mind, what are the different plans like with Hostgator? You might be wondering, well, it mainly depends on how much traffic you anticipate your site getting. So if you're just starting out, then you could probably go for the hatchling plan, then scale up to the baby or the business plans as your site traffic increases. Plus, with the baby and business plans, you'll also get on-demand backup copies, which is great for peace of mind. So if you're at all like me, and you always need to double-check that you locked your door, then this could be the perfect fit for you. Now, I'd like to give just a bit of an overview of what Hostgator is like. So first of all, it's super easy to use, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Just as an example, if you can set up a really professional site without even needing to go into the control panel. But if you have some experience and know what you want, it's also available for more advanced customizations. Plus, the user interface is, I think, pretty simple. So anyone can navigate it. And you can also integrate a separate content management system like WordPress or Joomla. Plus Hostgator can handle any big traffic surge without any issues, which is awesome. So that's Hostgator, and if you'd like to take advantage of some awesome discount for the platform, you can grab that coupon code down in the link below in the description. And remember that Hostgator covers their plans with a 45-day money-back guarantee. I can't stress that enough. So you can always try it out and see if it's right for you and then cancel if it's not. Finally, as always, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to answer anything I can. And if you like the content, and give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about web hosting. So, thanks so much for watching.